Hello, hola, bonjour, guten Morgen, ni hao. So I am coming to you today from beautiful East Tennessee. This is Camino Teacher, and I am going to talk about how to use Luf.ai for language learning. So this is a bit of a detailed guide, but not very specific yet. So I'm going to have a follow-up video on this, which is going to delve more into the different functions of it. But this is kind of a general overview to show you what can be done with Louvre. So I'm excited. And this is basically for adult folks who try to learn foreign languages, people who want to read, for example, newspapers and translate them and learn from that, or books, for example. So this is perfect for learning languages from text. All right, let me show you some options. Okay, so basically, you can enter text on the left side and it will translate it for you on the right side. But this has more options and it is much better than just your plain Google Translate. This has way more different things you can do with it. So let me tell you a little bit about it. So on the left side, you will enter your text in, if it's in English or whatever other language you want to start with, and then you translate it into Spanish or whatever other language. So they have 100 different languages available. But then on the right side, where you see where it says general, they have options like what kind of text is this? Is this general? Is it technology, medical, finance, education, legal, marketing, or science? So you can choose from that. And also you can choose from where it's translated from. Is it Google? Is it Bing? Is it Yandex? Is it ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude? So it's from any of those options. And so this is your basic function where you just plain translate, but there's way more. So next, you can also translate from images. So what you see right there is actually a screenshot. So you can translate from screenshots, or you can translate memes. Anything that's on an image, it will translate it very easily for you. Let's look at some more. So if you want to translate an extended article, one that has several paragraphs to it, let's say, the cool thing is that with Louvre, it will translate it one paragraph at a time. So you can learn your article in chunks. So that's the best way to learn it. You cannot just read a whole article and expect to understand the whole thing when you're a language learner. So you need to build up your skills one paragraph at a time. Maybe you only start with the headline and then you work your way down. So let me show you how that looks once you translate this lengthy paragraph, this lengthy article, let's say. Okay, so if you look at this, this is a PDF. So they actually translate PDFs for you, which is very useful. So when they translate it, they do one paragraph at a time and it shows you the paragraph in your original language first and then in your translated language. And both languages have speech icons, so you can practice your pronunciation perfectly with this. So if I were you and I was learning a new language, I would keep vocabulary lists, and for each one of my paragraph, I would play the play button, and I would listen and I would try to repeat it until I got it perfectly. So this is an extremely efficient way to learn a foreign language. So the important thing is to write down your new words, to use your new words, and then you go over the paragraph again and you see if you can understand it in the language without looking at the translation. So yeah, this is super cool. And so if I were you, I would try it out. And I have a link for you in the description, in the video description, that you can use to sign up. So I'm excited about it, and I'm going to create some more videos about it later on once I delve more into the specifics. But this is a general overview what Loof.ai is capable of, and I think it's just wonderful. So this is Camino Teacher. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe, and you can watch some more videos about learning languages and also about the Camino de Santiago. All right, everybody. And I hope you have a wonderful day. We just had a terrible rainstorm here, but hey, it's going to look up now. Okay. And let me know in the channel description how Loof.ai works out for you. All right, everybody, have an awesome day and a great weekend.